Alright.
I'm
kind of
scared, dog.
Why are you scared?
Ready?
Go.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jose Bangs, and this is my $900 new project car. This is the other one that we got going on. It's not really finished, but still got to get the wheels and stuff like that. But we're gonna take out the engine right now, and we're gonna be rebuilding it. There you go. 5 speed. Let's get it.
Jose's not here right now, but you can take a look. We took off the downpipe, we took off the harness, or most of it already. We're gonna take the starter off, we're gonna get the alternator off, take that belt off so we can get the compressor off, move the compressor out of the way so we don't have to evac the system. Let us know what we did. We just start taking shit off.
Just taking shit off, yeah.
Until everything comes off.
Yeah. You want some? We got tools everywhere, bro. Everywhere. We got hammer right there. What's up, guys? It's the next day. Everything that's connected to the engine, to the car, should be off. Now look at this. That's kind of crazy. So there it is. The boys pulled up again. Damn, look at that. It's probably not the right way to do it, but it still worked. But it works. We got over here master technician, and we got master builder over here. So this is what we got left of the car. Let's go, bro. Little tranny. Look how dirty this thing is. Damn. You don't think so? It's pretty fucking bad, right? scared, dog.
Why are you scared?
Good?
Good. Go for it.
Oh, fuck it, Jose. This guy.